put the lights off?
All right, should we do it again?
Yeah. What kind of animal eats apples and bananas?
Monkey.
Oh, monkeys.
Yeah. Well, okay. Do another one.
Okay. What kind of animal eats a tree?
What kind of animal eats a tree?
No, caterpillar.
A caterpillar. Good one. All right. Do another.
Giraffe.
A giraffe? Oh, a giraffe eats a tree too. You're right.
They're like Curious George.
Like Curious George?
Yeah.
A giraffe like Curious George?
Yeah.
No. Okay, do another quiz.
What kind of animal eats cat food?
Kitties.
Kitty.
Yeah.
That's kinda dog food.
What kind of animal eats dog food?
What kind of animal eats dog food?
Max.
No, not rats.
No, not Max.
A doggy.
A doggies?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, doggies eat dog food. Do you have another one? Okay.
What?
Okay, go.
What kind of animal eats
Grass. Yeah, say it. Say that.
What kind of animal eats grass?
Cows.
Cows eat grass.
Cows eat grass.
Ah!